Siasa idiveto. Thank you gentlemen non tuba kuichiana na ukinya baraba inge bete rather last minute bakawa untionera but thank you so much non tuba kuidira bokeya na rigadi gachagwa ntukerwa ena reketiro adia kanana after 55 days of consultations netherite ya kera na ripoti. Maybe tukiambiria na Oscar, what's your take onto the former deputy president na wete kwina thina rwa nyine rwa gima, kwina thina rwa nyine rwa kithomo, rwa nyine rwa security, name them. Ya imanto akenya bamwirite kana imanto yara wewe ngonete?
Ebwaga kairi Phineas ke ategeri betu para bado benatwe station yetu ya Weru TV na mbuge trend ira tuonete siasa-ini guthikia mwanka thai ni provete kuchoa kura iraisi ende kwa dhana ti raisi nontu ugachoka kanyumene no withirwo gitega uria atongeria bara twithiritwo twinabo in the years ira ikurukite Kibaki uria batonyere bena support nene yantu kugikarakara re-election ikethirwo ikia problem Uhuru Kenyatta atonya thirikari-ini itukumenya re-election yawe uria yari na challenges nyingi mwanka kinya kwithirwo kwina magamba ja maingi sana ja kwithirwa kukirikana kithurano kinya kiyiru ati atakinyithitie kura ira ciario na no case 2007 na thaizi na ndei Ruto wiku na tugachokia mathugani nyuma itukurikana uria atonyere kitine kia urais bwa mbere ambiro ciathurana thirikari ira wewe ngwari deputy president na ingwetikia noyo playbook iria tukuona thaizi niontu ukenda ku predict siasa cia Kenya thaizi ukenda kwithirwo kimenya no gethirwo agi challenge president kinya before gipindi kithira tega within thirikari yawe thairia athurirwe niontu Uhuru Kenyatta ezire ku challenge William Ruto uria wari munini wawe thaizi uria ba thura ndirwe na William Ruto Rigathi Gachagua noe ukumu challenge thaizi na kwithirwa ukitega kana ukionania zaria jatigwitania bwega twizi zara maingi public wethero bena affinity nene ya negative news na inkumenya kinya ki media kwithero kwina slogan iria yuga if it bleeds it sells niontu zara maingi kira kiomba ku capture attention yantu inara maybe kwina mudslide anga antu bakua anga mafuriko za thithia anga accident ikumirana lakini ukeza kwithirwa kuko report ukira antu kuko ketho irio bivinge muno guntu kuna news yu ukathoma wenka Phineas
Nyo te watch
kinya unteona na ikio kiutuma thairia maybe kukwithirwa kwina gukosoa muno thirikari ukethirwa kiu kio gigusel na of course ni appetite kinya ira electorate bongo aringi kura ira benayo na tigintu gikigeni urankuga kairi playbook iria bonere William Ruto agitumira mono noyo bagutumira nandi kwithirwa bakirwa noe na tukethirwa tukiona more of it but it is politics ni siasa chikariu chite sheria and it is upon thirikari nio kwithirwa ikithugania ona mantu zara kwarirwa iomba ku counter ate
all right on the same breath bwana Kathurima kwi mantu Rigathi athirite akiwa yatitite boya kwithira akimention mantu kinya ya gunism na wa thirikari has a hand in it. Do you think thirikari ikethira ikireact kana yara edwari yathirite akiara kwa maybe thirikari ikaichie kakando yewe mbabu manto ya mtu akua ya omen maybe work towards it kana bakawa tu mtu ate thirikari ni move on?
The likelihood ikethirwo iri meka shagwa speech ira thithirie ugatega iri aririe mantu jara maingi tukuona tu not outside the normal. They need to come to kuona irio. Kedora ichia health, they just skuru. Kedora ichia gunism, ito kuona irio. Na mono is complain. Yombo to my yes, dirikali ka take some steps into solving ya kiraba komba. Until the mountain the bakomba. Lakini nande o Oscar wa mtojo ature dirikali no eji for 2.5 years or something like that. Nande no to na itiroe na kuchwa nande gitikire. Kana iba kuchwa. Ida no to ugete kedro toe akaunga mkono ule. So nande tutonye teke campaign period again. Na campaign period hizi gintu kimono mwaka ugere kuchwa makosa jonde. Chara serikali niyo na kana nare kunde serikali tera meet expectation ye erero nondo otuga kashagwa tumba kwalire manto Atlanta Stadium kado jomba kuwa kyaliria gintu kira kigwita kana gintu kira kiwaka serikali atenda lakini gintu kionde kira gite waka serikali nondo campaign period no mwaka ona ni kwina thina na bado na wananchi ba kawaida otego kone ima.
But don't you think it's justifiable to akiri opposition?
Watu kuwa nande otego kone is true. That problem is there. Kwa sha ite kuitanguge andobara pengi ba kwa affected by sha. So nande auga nande the only problem is yes ako identify the problems. Nande the solution
chibatere kumakidiri.
Ijuzi ari nande tuo kuga we the incoming government to kuona kiki na dina. So na eno buri kueja na what is the plan? What is the plan? You know, but all the same, the speech was good on to take challenge Dirikari na what 350?
Yeah, 350 days.
Yeah, 350 days. Kede na enda kurekebisha na rekebisha Matunda Ja Wamunyoro because you're in the government, by a budget, by the all arms. They have all the power and the capacity. Kuitadhina irio na baka the amount to be in a better way.
Sure. Na bwana ngaine Mantera iruare gashagwe dirite akira kia yara ya konania abo dirikari tiombete maybe ko perform in different aspects. Do you think kuringa na owe dirikari ate perform it for the period dirikari Kenya kwanza dirite iriotongeriene ni ataonete performance yayo?
Kuringana na mearia gashagwa tukamujukia very rightly nonto nethire twendene ya thirikari ciothe kuma igitara Moi mwanka una ndituri gashagwa information ile thero ina cio ira nyingi nya thirikari ni uraye ina itaga lakini nonto ba kwithwa na itango gina system wi cionthe utuwombo karandene ya thirikari kinya uma lazima utakuwa na marafiki hapa na pale para bamunenkaira that information. Na tekuwa mtura wonda ya thirikari ne na ete satisfied ni ngugira thirikari ekugitata egwita. Kwou information iraja ira wona agita thirikari kori na muntu yo agwita kitha chumanitio na thirikari njene. Antu baraba kuona failures kia promises iria thirikari ya ejere kunande iria banenkanirite nontu ba diverted mono kana iba umete ndene ya manifesto era baugite niyo bakathana niyo nende baitanga tangara for example no kona ja munene augaga bobo wakarika nyume meri 6 akija kaire akauga meri ingi 6 meri 6 na ndene era so monotonous that kinya muntu kuma kugita bora kukwatania siasa cha Kenya uraikari anto iba kuona kwa uthirikari je kioni maoni yakwa ngugira bakwiba itete ingoge nini mono nyonto nande iba umira ki manifesto yao bareta gi siasa all the time ukona munene on rooftop ya ngari ngoge wa siasa mtupu kwa ngoge kaitori sure kiuria.
Right. Kadurima kwe onto mheshimiwa mbakwithira ikiwa very important au kwe antinya ba thirikari neo bateaniri nuritipa yako ngui. Notably, the other day, Peter Munya na Senator wa County ya Meru ibari kiathone kimwe. Na Munya amba kwithira akiwa shaite kurita ngui TV yake. Na actually kadhuri wengo na miari ekewa ina kathina. Do you think kwi mantu maingi atiwita bwende ne thirikari but can't tu baraba thirikari nambu abakiri kenda barumira for the remaining days?
One kwina antu baraba thirikari ni baraba ina aspiration ya kwenda gutonya siasene yeka na guchwa ite bau they have to be very careful that ino to okethorwa uri thirikari ni na position ile uri you're not supposed to do politics, so atomba kulinga siasa at the moment na atomba ku criticize what is in the government. So agatera mwaka February era deadline ile ha resign na ndiketa kwenda gutakira opposition na ndiye of course they are there anto baleo na baleo baraba ku support opposition baleo baraba ku support thirikari na bai thirikari na dai na bau wakinya February era bakaumeria then nande bakaomba ku declare their opposition nande tutomba kumenya exactly bao lakini bai kubo bonde baraba ku support na baraba kupinga bai ku the government nande having said that system cha thirikari dai the challenge era this government kairetere manto ja Meru so big and then the period era by is short and then the budget was of course not even enough na sometimes policies era they were not well researched kana kire implementation either the willpower a proper implementation was not there kana the capacity ta dinga teriruga so na de drama to jamo challenge ira bina cho eja sha otaka from the script is a very good thing lakini wajakili in implementation it becomes a challenge now and this challenge kira kitoma cha eja challenge mono it is the political part you want to no kwenda koinya ile no kwenda wa relevant politically so na in the process okedro uti implement ure kwenda kana because if they all registered members basha if they are paying even the bare minimum sha tingidro ina dina because the biggest problem is it is the contribution part the 32 million registered 80 million 6 million also pay now the corner na the 32 million all of them are benefiting kire level 1 and 2 so kataka already the expenditure is on the move so no monga thirikari egeria kwenda kuinya anto bonde bale ya lakini there is a problem so wikinya February definitely to corona and the true colors of most people who are in are in seats no kataka inya 2022 ukaja jabana tembea they were in the government county commissioner na bao na kukinya gitera kuma baumire ande jo kero na tembea na le commissioner hata uwezi amini that's true akora the same government but anyway it is politics it is leadership mtu ara gwitikiria akora no gaitranto ngugi kaka jatwa convince anto that's so
sure na Oscar Ngwethere ukiwa you okay with the mountain splitting and maybe you want to abunge bamiro bedrete kinyaba kyara kyonto wiru ari araba wite bo if at all rutero rungiro kirimara rutie karurunge they are ready ke split edira karika barau mbere rwari rubatara batenda ko rwari anything batara nakanuka kuwa yeki atukane. Do you think I pushed from somewhere ya brogwera kwena mtu kwenda kirima kitanwa of which tiroko but kwena the appointing authority do you think etimiario kinyaya bunge bainya bokwe mtu pakwathikira
ibo Phineas na I think I proper tutega imbio yongwa ikirima giki ire utuma kwithiro kwena interest nyingi muno kithurano ne kithiru kirima kiaete William Ruto almost 50% ya kura ira cionthe onere kenda tuika rais na bakeza kwithirwa presidential team ni gukara nthi ne kathithi analysis yore reality iri Mount Kenya thaizi na bakona kura ira ciomba kwithirwa cikiuma Mount Kenya ciomba kwithirwa cikigituka na kiwango giki nene na reality iri omonga thaizi ni kuonaniria jeka president atina support iria ari nayo 2022 dene Mount Kenya. IBC ikithiria ku register voters kurari na registered voters around 6.3 million, which is around 26% ya kura ira cionthe cicukitwe ndene nthiguru ya Kenya. Ukazukia ugitara i blocks Mount Kenya no block ira nene buru ithingati ni Kalenjin, ithingati ni Western kana Luya, then Kalenjin. Na ugatega block ya Kalenjin na Luya no ngoringanire cio iziri kenda kinya chithirwa chigikinya block ya Mount Kenya. That is why Mount Kenya ikwa a hot topic ya kudeal nayo, na kugethirwo kwina attempts inyingi muno tia if you cannot have all of it at least gania na mantuza maingiza raza thiritwo za kikarika in the last few days katuge months gono ntu isiasa tukwariria chirithirwa chige point in that direction ati kwina attempts cia kwithirwa kura cia Mount Kenya chikiganwa na itithirwo iri ambere itwize gitarira Moi ategete kabisa akona kura chikarega kuganwa akwana in 1992 na igitarira itukumenya Jaramogi noe wari main competitor before kura chiringwa agisupport ni Kenneth Matiba, but bamenya ni ontu siasa ikubangania Matiba ari rongo treatment ari London agitreatawa bethiro bathite mibango naza kendeza onura ari popular na convince that na batikora na tibati gutigira Jaramogi. Na Jaramogi no area ari last shot ya wene ontu I think by the time kithurano ke 92 gekiringwa Jaramogi ari ameka ite ko wija kethiro kuthuganiria mantu za kuronga makairi 1997 ari thiro na meka 85 ko itari practical Jaramogi gwetera kurungama akinyukira Matiba no neru ore ari popular na indonere former press secretary wa Moi Lee akigora bathithirie nde ku popularize mantuza na eu nego tuchokia na ndike ara turi thaa ici cropping ya similar outfits mtu agachiuria mtu za Ndindi Nyoro no ethero no the same script ikuchetherwa na tizethera coincidence but Ndindi Nyoro paumite the same county same constituency na kenda Matiba paumite Kiharu bo bairi na kwithirwa Murang'a county igikarajeka akarungama kana akethirwa akipush in a different direction. Make no mistake kwigintu akethirwa akiuma nakio kinya ikethirwa kiti substantial no kwithirwa kuna bare minimum iria president agutega kuona itubati kuona bare minimum kuma kethira Murang'a kana kethira Nyeri ni ontu kinya wa Mumbi ari Nyeri. Make no mistake kura cia Nyeri chiteta 100% rutere rureri Rigathi Gachagua akwenda I sitting MP na in any case no muretere na ko admit ko na thitia number of mistakes tikumenya ore wikuga about his decision making so ora tukwita mbere no ikuonania urito bwa Kirimara ni ontu rutere rwa Meru na Embu na Tharaka Nithi irugo karajeka kwina rwaria either CS ruko aiwa assignment ya karajeka kurema na ndime ibiro bezirite members of parliament tukuga ruko is not the right person bugande abakwenda MPs nabo bageria tona kethera bakomba but inkumenya attempts cia kwathurana kura iu tikethirwa tiki persist na tendezi yake kinya Mount Kenya West zo ndauga pamose skure no kuona rwaria ruraba kwaria rutere ro Murang'a no kuona discussion ira chirio Nyeri no kuona discussion ira chirio although inkuona team ya ba Mheshimiwa Ngaine ni kugeria ireta kinya Isiolo na Marsabit ki itarwa block ya Mount Kenya but imantu tuku observe but kumethorana tira isi lakini yekeza ku split then ikethro ina implications inene nontu bona mbazira chiku chia voters.
Sure, Mheshimiwa Angaine, your party leader Rigathi Gachagua nedirete akiwa we aina 7 million intact and actually ruare akiaria wende it's about time maumare kirimara etenangia karimio ntoire intact. Do you as a party maybe in any way bokwenda could divide kirima kana kibatire kuria as a block?
Kuganya kirima is a tall order. Katuchoke nyuma kabisa. Igitaria twa uru bwachwagwa Mount Kenya yonde west na east chitwire chiriamwe na baruire kenda ngoswira bari nacho kenda chiomba gukinyanira na baraba kwenda kwathurana Mount Kenya East nande budi kaneka nyuma aria bambiririe Kiambu bambiria kuwa Kiambu te part of Mount Kenya yewe fero na script yeje yonde te mtungi na itoti ya gwichida script ye eruto nonto majara maingi yo kenya guteka siasa ewe ai copy mantu jamo kumanya na wathani bwa the late president Moi nende script yeje ni ajitenio na ije ura onere kura ndene Mount Kenya region yonde igwatene na ndishi mwebete which is true chimwebete na ngugeje gutuma minister wa Ruku one thing nabwirite kujukia Ruku au mitembu Embu ikamatite gachunche kanini muno kavuta sibaraba ndikindene ya this region au kiu kigerio kiu akwa kiu kutuma mtu ya Ruku kuya nande ku propaganda areta propaganda chia tugitukana iwi nande niringeta mwamba iyo itaingia kinya kareta ajumbe baba iku ambwiriria kinya bakeja already batena muche moja ura munene wa batena muche mo ndene iriaje ko kinya bakanenkirwa mbese ingana kwathukana kwa Mount Kenya kugeretwe ni andu inkurikana nyaka nyuma hara kwira mheshimiwa kiraitu bejete na the same agenda lakini backfire kwou kenda ba tukagwatanira ngwataniro era tutura twinayo kinya ndira thirikari inge ikeja twina bargaining power yetu ira tukakirwa ni untu bwa the voting block era twinio na tukeja kugita ngoma ichunche then we are doomed.
Sure.
Yeah, kwou ni akwa Mount Kenya Mount Kenya on the region asa itebwirite kugitwa tubwirite kuda tu intact kenda ndira tukaraya ntato chetu tukaraya tu block twaromba gintu kana twathire gintu gikero antu babwirite kunenkerwa lakini nande tukaja kugitwa tuchunche nontu bwa political ngenzi kia mtu fulani tutaumia.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right. On the same breath, Kadurima, the two speakers kwa onto bedra wakiwa wapata bwegi roko kwethira etu mairwa ke division Mount Kenya onto without a doubt mwethirite yake push for ariero but okay kwa ile kura ira rembu utiombo kompia na kura ira maybe chemero. Do you think kwe as much as Ruto is student to maybe a boy na bangi politics do you think kwe miscalculation awithirie rwaria roro ku divide kirima maybe rukire tu mtu for example ya kireito ra umete region ya Meru Meru ina close to 1 million voters do you think kuna miscalculation came mtu ra ku propagate rwaria roro ku divide the mountain
maybe no kwedro kwene lakini ukataka the whole script ulereti bategere mtu ra wina
Mauri.
Kierere kidogo. Oro GWETEERA, this guy was an MP, a minister, and then there's a time there was that description. He's tall, big, commanding.
Which is true.
Commanding and all that. So maybe they Bajokaya eza korera batu now definitely to to subjects.
Has it worked?
It is not easy. Oscar, it's not easy. Antobatu tuere amwe for a long time.
Yeah.
Maisha yetu is so much integrated kibiashara, ki socio, religious. Wataka batu ndembo chetu na che kuichutu ina mono kanisa chetu na and it was set up a precedence which has been going on kuma samani kuma GWETEERA mama ure ngo kateka. It was like that. So it is not mtomwe atomba kweja tu na atwera tu tunataka, and it must kadri bakwenda effective without favoring an individual. Tunande eje dai ekara edidu kende favor the president na deputy oyo ekenda kura itekeje guta ichirisi 7 million. So nande bakebera that one, and then they come now and look at it from all angles, social, political, and economic. Nande baka move new. Then maybe it can make some sense. Non to take out corner, all the time we complain. When Dirato Gutite Kuchua Gete, Mount Kenya comes down together to a group. And the Tuana Gete, Mount Kenya Rechareto at Tiwandakin. Yeah, it is true. It took what it in Eru. Lakini Nande, it is wrong for Muturo or Kogeria quality the issue, a care area on one angle, a political, not a political future, a political die. Non together about Tegera from now onwards. Now, Biongozi beyond the Bia Karandena become wow, and we should behave like that. Then it will be different. Non to a Kamba, I didn't then Gema. They don't do nada one billion, the Kino Jiondoa. Naba created their own space, political space in Abetanio. What Nabatara, their leader, Kalonzo Musyoka. Now they support him fully. Nande Batu Nazo, Pangito about Meru is the biggest community in Mount Kenya East. But Meru is not the one which is leading. We want to move out. Maybe Kedra Meru now, in a Viongozi Meru, Kana Kiongozi Meru, no one goes it. And I'm sorry to say to a party leader who is Otekwenda Kuonania, Peter Munya. He's the only party leader we have around. Na Tekwenda Kuonania, no ajuki jukumu, Yakedra, Atekwake cannot in that way. Lakini kutetea our position in the government that is coming. The Kenya United opposition right now. What position will Meru be? Kana Mount Kenya East. In a Kedro opposition. Because we don't have a representative. But we have small people coming in with the parties. Nanandija wataka Mount Kenya West irato kuga toko tu mekeo ina DCP leader. Ina Ndindi Nyoro. People's Party. Inasikia rumors Momatangi anataka kuja na yake. So no kuona already pia mabira tukaronga mabio na aja likely
Kalomba.
And then we are in area. So to end up being subject still of the people from Mount Kenya West. So for how long will Roberto took and kill like that? They to run in Ambas. That was in 2017. No one to create some position in politics. Na tuenda some MPs, tuenda governors, tuenda MCAs. Na it perspective was coming. Nenye wakataka ki parliament it adika hiro. But now we are talking about a situation which bahati tu ingwaja ujo tutekwatanirite proper. MPs nyokataka MPs uraba kwaraia. But kwaraia janto bakwenda otuira. What you should, because they should not it should not start from one place. Can everybody kwambira from grassroots if they are serious about it. And if it is going to benefit us, then everybody kwambira from the grassroots nale. It can be from the world level maybe. Anto baka convinced or ukiendelea kwetu antu irundune MCA ageta antu kwa we rundu nerawe akato convince that we should party geto and then akakinyana nande tukwa montke viongozi pende bikatia a declaration that from now we are going to do like this, but not one person moving around. I get to command as I go to command, you know. Here we have to move out of it.
Nanodori mnoiroko. Nodori mnoiroko.
It's the tone. I condition it out, you know. If they, you know, makawe yo tuwe na perception. Okazukia like if we are, ijake that we na cheto. We are not so much of a disparate. I don't know. Then you just come and tell us, you know, if give us a perspective.
Exactly.
Ire egotonia that if to separate. This is our game. Nondo taka to ensure to come and take a deputy president forever.
Exactly.
Definitely maybe this time to nakendeke yes. Na akishaenda tukatigwa tuna isolated. Tukatigwa tuna isolated. Where are we going to help? Wakataka DCP kwambia wete Isiolo Marsabit na Moyale Mount Kenya North. Then kwa part of Mount Kenya. So to na Mount Kenya East, West, North, South. Nande the moment to like that, where we need to get the numbers so that you can have a region which is to come back with it.
Sure.
Kidogo Phineas. Kuigentu kadhurimo na I think toe Meru credit kidogo. Yes, kuna Peter Munya aripati leader wa PNU, but oni inde Mumeru they are very proud ya the area kuna attempts cia Meru kwithirwa chikeza on the table ya negotiation no tenjirengi other than having strong political parties. Ibithiri twende basine the hizi ndikiamenekia no peu twina mporo wa bori no party leader actually kiamakia no peu yonka local kiamakira parliamentary kina mubunge kwina inyaka wira Mwangaza na kiamakia UMP na uno impencourage antu mono kwithirwa tukiuga charity begins at home na kinyakethera itukuga now is not the time ya maybe kuga kirima kuga kuchiga kana Meru na ndino tutigane kinyana kwaria Mount Kenya East Meru ni kwa short changed yonto zora ringera kuga kirima kina ma taira tuitite kurene twarikia kuringa kura kegaitia na mpenda kuweza an example igitariria wathani bwa nthiguru yetu Kenya bwaruzairwa antu baria bari ki wanted list ni antu bakiri maraki gema na tukezi gutega ibao baumire kinya muitune be highest ranking officials ba Mau ni Amiru Wariama Baimungi na Baruko ibo bari highest ranking officers bau bangi bari bakurairo muitune kinya bara baumite Mount Kenya West but rwaria rwa kuga kiria kioneka ki overdue reward Mau roads chikuweza no 540 kilometers kilomita magana zana za mirongo ena chikuweza no kutekinya kilomita emwe ya kinya Meru hizi chiethere in 4 counties cha Mount Kenya West so tukori atiri kukeza kwithirwa buru a Meru iba kuona need ekwithirwa every time tukigwata mbaru Mount Kenya West niki kinya thaira kwina gintu ja kiu kiari very obvious cha barabara yu niontu ndiungite Mount Kenya West county zire cha benefit remono Nyeri Nyandarua Kiambu na Nyeri kote kilomita kinye mwe ya Mau roads ya kinya rotere ruru twaririe duo carriage ira yumite ira ya extenderwe kuma makutano za Nyeri mwanka Marua eudo courage in infrastructure project iriku yaretwa rutere ruru rwa Kirimara as a result ya support area Mount Kenya East na Meru ithirito ekia baraba ithirito bare atongeria including Mwai Kibaki na Uhuru Kenyatta for 10 years.
Oscar, don't you think barato batere ko blame in such a scenario ende ni atongere bakuma rutere because onu thire wa mbere ende itaki president omwira barabara ira cha Mount Chiamamo na rete. Don't you think our leaders are failing us?
Nande ndo kuoni atiri electorate ibadifayaga leaders no tukinyatha ici tukwaria Phineas kute mutongeria wikitie mwananchi wa Munyoro kana uga one term kutewe mwananchi no uthingati and that is the problem we have. Wave chireza every election cycle na ikyo tugutinda tukira antu wave ireza igatuma kinya atongeria baraba gukari kuba guperforma atongeria babega bakana Kirimara giki governor wa Nakuru Linjiro hari governor go perform Laikipia County Nderitu Mureithi na performa imbia baanirie kiraito murongi utumba kwa agio ati uga kare komba umukompea na governor ora impeachirwa haza but no retero kiraito murongi athiate everua so we visit chireza Phineas na iko ethirwa tu the simple reason ati survival neo iri top on the list ya atongeria na inya baraba inge baraba kuraganira DCP tha ici mayare muingu ingu zambo mbarande kwambiria kuringithia my brother
it's okay
yani ikyo kwa na remoke ngekinya break kidogo but gwe atongeria iba matikuzo bakiereka area mwananchi na hakonerwa niki kinya uru kethwa ntikurungamana kiama kia DCP re niki mbati kuthirwa nkithura wambita bunge itikethirwa kiri onthe mwananchi a decide ni uzu na ndi atongeria bonthe agaforce atongeria babega na baba thuku batonye kiamene kiu kenda baringirwa kura.
Okay,
nkiongera kurugire ogwete kathia ni utongeria bwina thina ukeyochoka nyuma kiri antu bara batutongeretie nyuma nderea ibari antu bomba gwita bakaromba gintu kithirikari na gikathithwa lakini crop ya leadership ira twinio ni eretete thina nontu kuona utikyo tukuona ndene ya Mount Kenya East yetu nontu utongeria bundi okeja kwithirwa utiumba gwita waria noreo ugwatirite kana king'ina katugeja president nambi bukeba bukirombaga into butiukira dinera twinio ni ukira atongeria bara twinabo ni ukira sawa na bakeja kwithirwa baketha baikira go ni hatu komba gwito chwira antu nkira tukwende choka naja wino gwa buriku buria nende ikia tumtukuga atiri utongeria burabu ekuna ndi bubuchoketie Meru nyuma antu araja muno twekinya kurikava that one no ngana netu change another crop of utongeria irete gwita kuga yesa kana tunil ugatureria president Maru apana ikuromba into na njira ira yagirite nokyo ino chamba wiki tuarea mbungerea utete guikwara nonto bwa wemwe mtonge iwana inchi ba wiketie na ndira ugoke ya kwithro te kumba kuthagana intobiria kano matha intobiria bienara thirikari na nene uchokeria antu benu then utike tukeba tukiona na kira nkwenda kuga ni leadership ira twine ndene Meru nandi is below par yani indiguru muno.
Right. Na bwana Ngaine, on the same breath bwa the leaders, do you think the government ontuko mawira nethirite heka na inantuko around manatha 50 akuinga mawira ne ya, do you think thirikari ikaomba kwithira ikinga kia mantu ya inyera irware iyo party linda kwithira tia kerrakia ikaomba kwa chief ya yonthe
thirikari ara turi nandi kuringana na uria mbije gi siasa mieri yeje tigere aja yeje siasa na twitite nandi my brother na ntoba miru ibaigwe isiasa ne twitite na isiasa ne turi nandi jara jonde jakuro jakadide ko tonto kadideka mwanka kura iringwe tutagarendere ngi kwa expect thirikari ira twino nandi bwambiria kubuthithia maendeleo jau itweke kando kabisa kira bomba kwithwa bakithithia ija tu project turatu bakwenda nandi antu wananchi bona iba kuringithia lakini kuambiria new project now hapana ntikuona
sure na Kadurima on the same key projects ira thirikari thirite ika kinya kindio ngachio thirikari no ekuwa tukabwithia bo na itukomea Ramos mewa opoti it's without doubt it takaita na kasiasa nende. Do you think there will be more promises lakini cha kuentai santo kana thirikari can in any way be genuine for once bawe bo tukabwithi na our next term boto akani
6 months later story ya 6 months itathira bwana kwanza na ndio kuingia ngoro kina ndo bakwithirwa the president in a challenge ya re-election na ugateka the kila president ya concentrate on ni development development is some places are skewed to specific areas na inge kwa kando mtu japatu pu Mount Kenya East we are tunengere road deal kire towards the development ahora usikauga mantwa mauma roads twetakire mantu jara maingi dontunya kija togatega dole eu akagura ndio dual there was a big fight ndio kulikana nyande TV no we fought for it dual yeze kuma thika kuma keno kuina mira makutano ebwiri gutonyera Murang'a mwangi wa iria had a big fight and ayuma keno etonyera Murang'a iza kumira Sagana which means atungepata hata kidogo tukona na our leaders didn't come out fighting me kira ntere wale mwe I kedra atongere bara tutaraga na maybe an khaina ga tuiraja kedri badoma script ye maumau betu nundu gateka maumau ndo ora kulinga na ora maumau eroi is only Meru muchonko atatonya na ale Meru lakini Kiambu na ale Munda Nyeri mwaka Nyeri town alikuwa na shamba mwaka dai mbuga pamoja bena maranchi nao weta mwaka na nyukira ekipe na ala maranchi nyawuru kuchoka na kuru na ale achonko de yard ya changa lakini Meru ukataka from Kisima ndio Kisima baje kujokia later on from Kisima aja kujiruka all the way mwaka Kirinyaga meni mchongo atona space na it was because of the leadership leo na uchamba pora to alebu ikete bateja kutoka ani na bazuke binda yetu na balima so atobeto leaders pora to utara no mwaka the voters no mwaka tugere kutoka ni and we need people who can give us a proper direction na bombo turira uno ndoku kwa maendeleo ndo maendeleo zazo gateka kuina la maendeleo za kuendelea seriously kuina ala development ibi kudideka
koneka
ndo bakwethirwa atongire baraba inao they are not nasi ziba they are fighting na fight ile ne gutuma bakanenkero maendeleo zara ndo centro eu disipire no disipire umete no barabara ile wako ende batu naza uzo rukwa le twera tuge twera deputy president tuta magabi ende tena yeni we have nothing to show for it so no mwangatu benyana ndita hai tukibanga for next election lazima no mwangatu to guarantee ba Oscar Mutugi roba kagita kena DCP kena ina PNU na ba watani twite kama kimwe
actually on the same breath Bwana Oscar no tuire maybe do you have plans as no peu maybe kwithire bukyotha na ire and Meru no kwithire ina yes kwithire kwina parties lakini Have you thought of maybe kwatanira amwe?
Eba ita coalition.
Burita coalition.
Maybe.
I mean,
Ndariretie issue ya coalition long before chairman wa NOPEO. Ndariretie manto wa coalition. But as we know, the nera nene tunayo na leaders Bamiru gintu gita wa igo. Yonto kureta amwe some of these people either are almost next to impossible. But eu ne a reflection maybe a selfishness irereo utongeria kethirwa ati kwenda kuthuganiria community but rather kwithuganiria wewe ngwa na uka trace thina cia Miru yethite bwega muno until 2013 revolution ikwiza ndiria bakarire nthi ku decide iba au bageta kurungama giti gia senator iba au bakarungama giti kia governor iba au bakarungama giti kia woman rep ara ne Miru yangaratanire na kuiza na ndi kugeria ku rectify that mistake ni untu ne uteka kwaria consensus baraba bonekana be frontline politicians Miru betere kuromba giti gia senator ikio tumikira itumurunge arombere senator Gitobui Manyara. Ezi ingi barabari mostly assistant ministers before Peter Munya Kelenu Mwiria baromba gitiki ya governor. Na bangi baromba woman rep. Devolution eko tonya pa realize powers uraba thogana yenu chigethero ikari tiu ko ubeza kugarukana. Ati zoya Munya akeza aritwe na no kireito wa mukampeni rite atonya as a governor na oni mbuga mwanga thaizi kireito murungi no menta wakwa siasa but the naira to na chomeru is down to when na Peter Munya nionto kinya thaizi tukwaria Peter Munya na kireito murungi bakagwatanira baka decide kwaria rwaria ro ku move in the same direction kinya division yetu kuga
kethira
yombeka kinya division yetu kuga kuga kirimara yombeka but so long as batere tekaniria na ntikuona bagite kaniria keza kwithirwa batere tekaniria gita nereo then there's a problem but kwizite kwithirwa kuna coalition bagite kaniria no peo warongeka candidates waku batu na coalition ira tomba kuringa neo kura cha president hasa locally no buchindani but at the end of the day withiro kwina arabu kwenda gukia kura ichienu milioni imwe chigwatene then you can negotiate for anything but in theory it possible in practice tikona kukiumbika
no menye ikeja kuumbika one thing is just kuga Mount Kenya East either in a very good stand non to work with the reason why Mount Kenya to achieve the government is because bado to atonyere to kiwa UDA ni yetu so we don't need
but essentially theater
lakini nande baraba pamudavadi baraba ezena bya mabiao kwa hivyo nande bakurenya kurukie watu twetegera tu bakireza nabo bejete from outside
sure na Kadurima, do you think kiama kia Meru ikikwende NOPEO kana PNU kana DCP kana ikeko?
That's why Oscar Mutubi agumekera bwega muno because parties are created by individuals so individuals baba the baraba kuonekana bai na ugi kile mantujaza pakomba kuwatanira pakawanana letters urapa awatanire baita mbas party nondo ba awatanire na baranirie bonde na baiganwa na munya aumere na mbas party tu yes 2013
PK
Alliance Party of Kenya
ende finias kiama kireke umbaguga original ikiama kia Mumiru NOPEO UMP
sacha kwitera no pero yejite de anu
ari tia oninkwere then you give me your reasoning UMP kurora harinyo before they are transferred to Kawira.
That's true.
PNU it was originally party leader wa bus irenda ari thaa hizi ile ni kivuti ari Embu so kiama kiria gitauma Meru kuma gikwa registered no origination ya Meru na nkuga gairi kionga kiama parliamentary ndene ya Meru kiama kano
but now no peo hizi neo
alright waki karia by the way kan nyakyo
ari to agikaria
okay
but you see otumbo
ugekarete monofidi neonto oni urango tega DCP tiga antu bamwe kuona be safe za mheshimiwa Ngaine hata kwa antu bangi kuona inatha constituencies bakaharira muno abandi bageza tubangure
no kuona beterete mtu achindwe ndio ndio bamoje
okay
that's why we are saying kila to kwenda kile kiama kila to kuicha Meru ikidire kile front runners ikidire agikurira primaries party primaries idire kedre no peo hizi ina party primaries ite kuetera discipline ya party primaries and then toza that's what we want
ote primaries ikaligo
but you want people should compete
I can tell
for
you
okay
gashagu ara karinde tha hizi na no ronere example Kirinyaga kwa mtu wito Murango kwa mtu wito Ngirisi Toma. Ogote kete utuno kumenya no gashagu akanikira ticket yai.
Sure. Mheshimiwa, weke DCP, how safe are you?
DCP.
Oyo safe.
DCP ikiama kisawa kabisa. Nonto awarinda yugatire. Kinyabo thabwe batano kana bangana. Keda igetekia mujumbe, keda ikia women rep kana itebira biko contested. Are antu kanya baka geta bra baka tarwa ne wananchi oteno wangu interfere na naugite mantu amengi muno for example to yoki example ya orukarao atwira wengwa kweritonga byeja bikamatete ma million of money akaga woni ndirambe che nyinge muno inekerotigiti amwira hapana wananchi watandecide kwa kiama kia DCP kethwa ki very fair to everybody na iketo mtu ukuona na ndikira mtu anataka ke DCP nende my brother ankwirire aja inera tu na ibia mabietu bia Meru aja i personal property iya personal property nande ukona bimwe chairman ni maronya kwe anga oi maro
tukumikia kumwesho
nende bakeja kuita tunyo moja tu bakatamba tambie nande ya Oscar nande katuge for example au metaba bore akaira nande ogwe Oscar ogwe iko karangi kana lakini ndera tukareta kiama tukihethie nande personal actually iketu nyokona tu baba inge bakimatoka
inopata buketha kwenda primaries kana nyaba bune ndo bukethira bukia like ya buka identify ndo barapo kwenda kunenkira tikiti
uni
as the chairman
as a chairman kintu kiria tukule emphasis gikemono antu bara tuinabo mwanka thaa hizi be candidates respective of what happens para bedire to bena kiama from the word go itwari tiapo maitazama maingi itwari na NDC Elsa na one of the resolutions ira to amikire ikuhakikisha ati gutonyerwa ukeza kwithirwa utirari kumwanka thaa hizi then
do you mean you're not butowetikiria new members
no we are admitting new members lakini yekeza kwithirwa itoyethiri to tukithiurunka na mtu let's say akiromba gitike MCA for close to 2 years now then either very unfair for nonto delegates vongo no baba amwire u nonto kiama kiritira ora delegates va decide nonto it is not upon just leadership kwithirwa niwe go impose mantu na I think no tuge kinya kethera mheshimiwa Ngaine no tuira DCP ni kuga let the people decide onde ronere Gachagua Kirinyaga akiuga we kwe mantu akuona zareza gatuma uga mtu muna atironga mana kiama kiai meaning at the end of the day no walk ethero ena say ya no kuthithia ate
no personal property
but
meaning no personal property.
Oscar, it's the same book with the kino pero kidari book wa mtu redirite yake amene kwa mwitikiria you're doing the very same,
But it is not similar to what is happening in DCP. DCP ariuga atiri kinyoge eta ukaona acclamation iria reception iria mtu akwithirwo enayo na in this case onde ariria directly wango ingirisi na murango na murango itujite ka remember wa DCP as at now is not a member ate dhurina kiama kia DCP ende wango ingirisi i member wa DCP
yeah,
fully paid and registered.
But the same also is playing in Meru. Negro playing in Meru like this. You remember over the weekend there was an issue between Jubilee and PNU. My candidate for governor, JR. There was a scenario which was bad enough. Known to work with Munya, being a party leader of PNU, Ijaka Akochoa Matiang, who is deputy party leader of Jubilee. Deputy party leader.
And you are a party
where
leader.
he is the party leader, lakini Akochoa deputy party leader of Jubilee kuja kumuendorse for governor position. And you can see one thing that played around. Ija kanande bahatu na Munya au Kinyarea ate kumba kuto convince enough. Ne te import Matiang from Kisii. Jenada also aleki kiama kia Jubilee tuena candidate to Jubilee and then assume candidate to Jubilee na the same kikao na ashaongea. Alafu we assume na this candidate alafu ambele kuka si tukona kama mkataba hapa na tumekubaliana ni PNU.
So
what this brings around is like yes batu ture Meru re Munya ale party leader o kiama kia Meru. And you know, party leaders pa Meru ibata tutu. Kia we UMP no peo na PNU. So Jubilee Peter Munya we wa ugere Kashagwa augere 4D ni bienu boje na. What did Peter Munya say? Augere tumeelewana presidential candidate. No to atarare omwe. Ende na angekunde kia magezo kina freedom ya kuruka mtu wao. Then adina kwa kuraere Matiang antoa agwata mtu o Jubilee njara o JR endele ana safari na yato kuambira kuwa tu support Munya, which means friendship na nande their personal arrangements ndio idirikari pejeta kuga Peter Munya kuka support ye Matiang yomba kutuma Munya kona getekie kia governor. It means Matiang'i will be part of our Meru county government. So, watu wa Mount Kenya East and especially ya Meru, ito bwede kukinyarea and I hope no people are okay early enough. Not because they can command. If they convince Meru that it can be, it get to a point where we can chart our own direction, then we chart it.
Sure.
Not what business do we have? We have our own deputy president here, who is here with us. They can take a second in command. Lakini bato we are supporting DCP Nyeri, which we are not even. We have an organizing secretary seat only. It will be being given the we have a whole deputy president here, which we are not supporting. We have a whole party in Mwejere Datu to support. So we have
a long way to go.
We must think about it.
Tukireikia on Tondero, it's just 7 minutes to Kinyaru. Kiama kia DCP kina candidate of governor, Jubilee ario, PNU ario. No peo form ivo kubanga kana.
Yes. Kiama kia no peo kiarongeka all candidates apart from the president. Kugethwa kina MCA, kugethwa kina member of parliament, woman rep, senator and governor.
President Ruto.
Ari, Torerungika, all candidates apart from
Lakini Mporo said
no. Ari,
na umiri.
stand ya mari mwanga waigua kiria kiti kurungika president
Turi gukethera bwiki one time two time.
no ugire delegates bongo ibaugire
One time.
baugire yellow line.
Yellow line.
Yes.
So two time.
Yellow line ina katikati.
But on the same breath, I think Oscar, as we conclude, you as the chairman, you have a tough task ahead onto your party leader. The other day, we two term onto na kuona maendeleo. So you have to talk to your party leader.
Na ndo thidi na ikio tumithugua tu yellow line.
Yellow line. Yellow.
Over time, you know,
you can flip any side.
Yes.
Perfect. Na tukirekia maybe miarie kwe murie in terms of siasa ira tukona nendi akamiru yukumiro in terms of especially that incident ikintungonda atwariria but on top of time 2 minutes. What's your take on the current temperature zero politics, especially itekeke governor nende kira your preferred party candidate atekwa endorsed imtoke amakiaki.
Yeah, that's where now the challenge is. No to ikaraza to gutoni do kire arrangements. Oira tutura korega. Because now we lose to the best candidate that would have helped us non to body arrangements you. Non to kataka what played about. Matiang came even wearing blue. To make the matter worse. He's a Jubilee presidential candidate. Lakini yeye blue Peter Munya. And then we is supporting Peter Munya for governor. You know, it was so terrible. Na ikumaanisha now it is not about interest ya Meru. It is about me and Munya because we are friends. Wacha tufanye our own arrangement. Now what I will tell Meru is this, especially Menti. I'm sorry to segment a bit. You know, it is very clear. Ukateka Meru ne marija tatu. Na ukateka Gembe na 2 candidates ba governor. Tigene na 1 candidate. And maybe there's another one which could come about. In Imenti, Tai is a year only. He's the only candidate in Imenti. And Imenti, what the Kenya uringi wakura, Imenti is the people they vote. Registered voters, iba vote over 80% of the registered voters. They vote. What the Egembe, they vote around 60%. Tigania is around there still. So Imenti, they are the people now who put leaders into seats. But what do we stand to gain from it? That's what we have to look at it. Yeah. That's why tukoona tukiwa na yes Peter Munya na raugere Matiang Kisii bakumakede. So they are no longer ours. And what we are saying with JR right now, we are consulting. Which direction we are going to go. So
you make Jubilee?
We are consulting. By consulting, we mean
you yellow line.
We are consulting now. Non to work with Aja to correct in the open. A whole presidential candidate yakuga in no. So what is a direction. But in a day we are consulting. But in what we are telling Amiru is this, especially Imenti. It is the Tuje one Ntura to Kwenda EJR for governor, kera tudiria maendeleo that did augete akadidi. Kera letu that that we are safe in his hands. Such that yake amakiria geta. Want to know it any no roja no people tena kadi ndio governor.
Actually,
yeah, talk to us nicely.
Thank you. Okay, Oscar, maybe miarie kuinga mbere twetera tukia kemwesh ibo karibisha JR kiamenekano peu na pamwe tikiriara for governor. Because yakabo kwa bwende you are a hot cake.
Only mukwera kaire na with time ukona oranda kwera yuma kiamakeno peu que surprise anto. Especially para bagedova surprise elsewhere. Na inkume ya baga surprise angoma. But kira tu kudhidia bora target yetu ikwithirwa itue majority party than a county assembly Meru. And we have our own path ura tukwenda ku achieve reality ekuthirwo itu majority party ndene county assembly ya Meru thai twina MCAs bathatu for a party yarongekire candidates ria mbere that time. That is a good number. Na thai tukwenda ku improve on that, tukumenya target iria to achieve tukethwa twina umati tukethwa itu majority party twarikia kugo oninkiu nkiaria tu urambaragia kawaida ikuria voters betu regardless of nandi bia mabiria bikuringirwa kura waves ira chithiritwo chigicreatwo kuma 2002 2007 2013 2017 2022 turiringa kura on the basis ya wave. Last election UDA twaringa ira thai mtu kuona kura ya member of parliament Meru na UDA kethero miracle. Thaizi wave na ndito nayo ya DCP na kwithiro kwina antu babega bakethiro beku babega kuna bo bathuku baga survive tu ni ontu ba kumenya naria wiviri na pesa batonya. So prayer kwa gairo mbare kwa kibare bakuringa kura ibethiro bakiringira individual okethiro gitega mutongeria na manifesto iria kugira ni ontu ni bamwende ona inya bakiari nkona muntu atina manifesto guru kiria kuringira ndebe muno ikiama kiu arungamina kio ontu na kumenya kiama kiarikia kwa popular oroethiro tu uchiumbaga ukariuro karike ukamata na gigutagaria. So kenda thina ici ithira itwithirwe tugitega individuals bongwa na tugeria ku minimize kuringa kura tu na wave for the sake of kuringa na wave.
No, mweka advice kidogo. One thing that you should do from grassroots level within a strong leaders opinion, yani as in not people, the candidates, not aspiring candidates kanambi, the people who baraba in the kiama baraba wata ira kiama in the grassroots, you should take every ward can every put a very strong grassroots leaders and to babu take kuone antu so that now boge to the candidates kana candidates bakeja bakona this already a movement here can the movement you kugira yomba ku take shape no your NDC. When you look at your NDC
actually kadhuri mauni uga nke advice antu kuringa kura not on the basis of parties. I'm not boxing myself anopeu ari pia mabionde mtu aroethirwo imutongerio mwega na wikiamene giki kana wikiamene giki ou ni utukathiria thina cio poor leadership iria twina cio ni onto at the end of the day nya tukiuma biamene turi Ameru na thina icia Meru turitega tukageri ku diagnose niki twina cio na tukona ile tumitu waves tukuthingana every election cycle
kiama ja waipa kitumba utingizwe kamba no to put that grassroots leaders and then offices okay the baraba iku they have offices enough
sure na mbitikirine nde turikiria na mheshimiwa maybe your last once na maybe briefly imbi what should done to bapore babatere ko expect at least yaka I don't know
ya onde interested party
ya unora so ni amavota mitoni ndaro mbakura bana wabere
I think kaini nkapa
bure Caucasus ndayo bure Caucasus yo
bure kamunda bure
chenu bure antuba bure generally bure is a very potential in the world inotonga bunene muno na bure keto no tongeria bubwega na unyo mugambio ntwanga ine yirite nandi bure we yakire agriculture antu baitangu giba endete gwita lakini kwe kasoro emwe therwereo bakinya marketing yao au no thina yaira bakauro in brokers and what have you bungi baburi na no mbetita kutheria nandi na nkatheria bungi bure nduga bure ndenda ya green antu baimboria kangirini na ikoke yoke ina ugaita rangiwe wakana bore nduge kangirini mroji twina mroji ndene munda yetu na ndechi yetu utonga bwana bukare to baroji ibu nene muno nundu batwe turi haremi mantu ya utikacha ja iku mantu ya ng'ombe ja iku mantu ja maingi nimit iruji ruraga for example keja kwina manyanja nkando they know the area nkando ntumburi kwina mirau ire rwarera antu butu keja banenka roji intobira bibyumba kuma muthetu na jo antu bwa climate irereo ni utonga bunene muna bumba gukiria antu baburi indi katwaere nande nuntu kwina ndamweje my brothers iba mijeje tugaya kyanjuri urire siasa eraura siasa na tukeja kuumba gutaku rujiru ndiguru yonde yetu imuro juju idhirwa ingiri ni utokuga apart from inya kyanjuri mwathani natutharimite na nduji chire akwie muno ndiguru tete kuraja tukomba nkalayasi woni na ndathirwo ndi mujumbe nkengana na county government tukengana nio rutere rwa kwinjambwa house nkaromba utethio bunge ki national government nkaromba inya ki donors tukeja tugekira antu betu nduji utonga bubu Oscar tureta buri yetu iguru ara tukwenda kwitho iri ariku iri hau twina mantu amaingi muno kinya ki biashara kiongwa tugirite kuempower antu betu kibiashara na kio tukona ni nkaboni yote abura bakagita bara tukareta ataramu bakabaitana for example mbita Kiambu ngeta Kiambu kethera mwana muthakanda kaiji chietu tukuga the young people uketha kwitha muntu ina ng'ombe chiawe nye 10 aireithia o tega ndere ngio kuona aina pick up yale o tega ndere ngio kuona ana baheba ibakaribu bwega imbie we kugiria batu tureto tiabu ndene buri no tikyo tukwaga
no mndore na jiko
unaona na ikakuota ikabara betha bainako na haya tu na ike moijiri ithatu inya ithano nende ni utongeria bwaurire no tongeria bwibu kwenda kureta buri kenda economically antu betu bagitaja
mbokera
ingi na bune accountability embe shira chetu tureta iro ndene buri ite ya accounted for example CDF uko na ondeta jana no aduga mbeche chiurite kiwango fulani untu bubu ndina method ira woni nkagania everyone ngakara na woni chetu ithano tukaraia mantu ira tukwenda mbeche nara ithomo ketha ikithomone tukamenya ichietite ketha igwaka cukuru tukamenya ichietite unfortunately kwe cukuru imwe ndiretire aruire rorera nkirikia it in a very improbable situation yani kere akwinya kwa condemned na twinotongeje bo miaka akwi 10 na nitwitite 10 cukuru ekarie uriku ekario nende nkithiria antu baburia nkubaromba woni bambe kura kenda pumba kubeka kiwango ne kira kibwirite kuthobari.
Thank you so much. Anko irwa that you to the following day rware by the good morning. Ito koroga rukiri. Thank you so much. Hello, lakini oyawedire after thank you so much gentlemen non tuba kwedira boki chana na kona kanyaka na oyawedire bokwa benda utia mtu na kana ategeri betu na kalono. Yebi moe yedira nende kwe bietre ibienda kuyambokandu na kwe kuru ebenga muno kone ndi ye kwira otimu yomweya nango muchenu ye bia twanie ndi kwa thenji nturene kwa thenji nturume na beta bayukia tuta tuthunya tunturume na beta kuruira betite kuyambokandu abarumira nduka ikela tuta kurukuruma yone ruareba ate andu ne achore ye bira bia kyo kuru mekira mauta yara nyoro kode ndi kuro yambiria ya ilio iko kwenya mainjire ya ucharuiro yo ya ile yo na ibu yebia tierwe kitri yango kando kithira kuro irachoka ochamani abo bakwira. Thank you so much gentlemen, no twakwira ukiona akanya
no uru kona lulu kayara mundora twetira ni amiru kiondo etire thira nyama ni gwa kwerutera roria na kuringe ikuthinjwa nderiku nenda gatiga ira jeri akabatia mbita nkona ira ingi kada ni hitire atia akija ndera nyo ikwe nirero chiathira aicho kandera ngedra.
Thank you so much. Not work with the water need na watiki mubango you are the mind perspective mwangira kimya kiukengi twakwendera utukubana kiumia kitharimi onbeto wa Phineas Imana.